My next date is September 22nd. Did you want it before then, or is that good?
That would be a perfect amount of time, Your Honor. Yeah. Actually, that's the first day I come back from my only vacation.
Do you want to do it that Monday instead then? That way you just make sure you have a little rest.
Yeah, I'm coming back on the 21st, so I can do it on the 22nd. We're not going to be too far away.
You sure?
Yeah, I appreciate it, Judge.
No problem. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Anthony Wooten. This is ticket Z80833961. One count operating while intoxicated, first offense. Ticket SP 1300613. That's one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889. On behalf of the defendant, Anthony Wooten. Mr. Wooten, can you say your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Anthony Wooten.
And Judge, this is a date and time set for a pretrial. I did discuss this with Corporation Counsel. We're just asking for an adjournment of the pretrial to continue with settlement negotiations.
Yes, I was gonna say you're close to a resolution, it sounds like, so I'm gonna give you adjournment until 9/22, September 22nd, hoping that you'll reach an agreement by then. If not, Attorney Marlena, I am gonna ask that you set it for a trial if you don't plea out that day. Either bench or jury. All right. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Bond continue. Thank you, Mr. Wooten. We'll see you then. They're still negotiating on your behalf, trying to get something for you, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Wooten, I'll be in touch with you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Okay.
Attorney Barrett, I will. Thank you.
Okay, yes, good morning.
All right, so I know it's one person that you still need to talk to, the prosecutor about. Who is that? So I can just make sure I set their stuff aside so you can talk to her.
I didn't tell her to come out, Tanisha Williams. She was busy in another courtroom, so.
All right, cool. I'll leave her in there. I'll just do everybody else. I just didn't want to bring her out in there.
Right.
All right. It's Tommy Wesley. I'm bringing Tommy Wesley out first.
Okay.
Tommy Wesley.
I'm here.
Now calling the matter of people versus Tommy Lee Wesley. This is ticket SP 1472691. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, improper lane use. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Marlena Baird on behalf of Tommy Wesley. Judge, I had a chance to speak with the city prosecutor regarding Mr. Wesley's case, and there was an agreement for a dismissal on those matters. Excuse me.
Okay. Okay. And Mr. Wesley, can you state your name for the record, please?
Tommy Lee Wesley.
All right. Being that he now has a valid license, I'm seeing, and spoken with counsel about it, the court is going to dismiss without prejudice this matter. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and use the right lane when you turn, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. All right. There's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, Mr. Wesley.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Yeah, bye.
All right. I'm bringing in Robert Williams. Robert Williams.
Speaking.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Henry Williams. This is ticket SP 1365477. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Marlena Baird on behalf of Robert Williams. Judge, I had a chance to talk to the city attorney about this. He has his valid documents. It would be a dismissal.
All right. So at this time, Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Henry Williams.
Thank you. All right. Being that he has now valid documents, the court is going to dismiss without prejudice this ticket. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Williams. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. I'm bringing in Leonardo Wilson. Mr. Wilson?
Yes, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Doing well.
Good. Now calling the matter of the people versus Leonardo Wilson II. This is ticket SP 14734411. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Baird on behalf of Leonardo Wilson. Judge, Mr. Wilson, documents over to the court. Based upon that, we asked for.
Did you get the last part of that, Sandy? Okay, say it one more time, Attorney Barrett.
Mr. Wilson sent his documents over. Due to valid documentation, we asked for dismissal.
All right, at this time, the court does have valid documents in my file, so the court's gonna grant your request. I'm going to dismiss without prejudice these tickets. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. I'm bringing in Gloria Walker.
Yes,
Ms. Walker, can you hear me?
yes, I can.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Gloria Jean Walker. This is ticket SP 13063999. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Baird on behalf of Gloria Walker. Judge, she wants to waive her rights and plead to reduce charge of improper plates.
You know, she paid the expired plates ticket on this one, Attorney Barrett. It was a civil infraction that she took care of already. Do you have a motion at this time?
Well, Judge, we make the matter be dismissed.
All right, the court is going to dismiss without prejudice this ticket. Ms. Walker, you paid the expired plates ticket, and so the court is just gonna dismiss this ticket, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Yeah, I know you
All right,
couldn't
thank
see.
you.
You're very
You're
welcome, Ms.
welcome.
Walker. You couldn't see, but I have it written on my ticket, so I know she paid it, Attorney Barrett.
Okay.
And the same with the next one. He paid 3 civil infraction tickets, Mr. Glenn Wilson, just so you know.
Hold on one second, Judge. Okay.
Okay, he paid a speeding ticket, or no proof of insurance, and a no valid registration ticket.
We're not arguing with the court.
Okay. I try and give a little leniency when that happens, so.
Yeah.
Glenn Wilson. And I'll take the blame for it. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Glenn Duvall Wilson. This is ticket SP 1339327. Count 1, drove while unlicensed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Glenn Wilson. Judge, based on the information received from the court, we make a motion that his matters be dismissed.
All right, and Mr. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Glenn Duvall Wilson.
All right, Mr. Wilson, you ended up paying the whole ticket for the civil infractions. Am I correct? You made payments on the ticket that came with this one? Yes.
No, not this.
Yes. Hold on, you can't have extra people talking now. It's your case, Mr. Wilson, and I have a record to keep. So if people try and speak in, they cannot, okay? Because it's just your.
No.
You ended up paying for the speeding ticket, no proof of insurance, and no valid registration, right?
Right.
The court is going to dismiss this ticket that is on my docket for today without prejudice, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, Mr. Wilson. You're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right.
All right, Raymond Wortham, I think it is. Wortham, maybe? I can't do nothing with this too. Mr. Wortham?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You got it? Exactly. Can you flip the camera the other way for me, please? There we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Raymond Wortham. This is ticket SP 1472624. One count reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Melita Baird on behalf of Raymond Wortham. Judge, there was a reduction for him to the 2-point offense. She has MCL 257.653B, I do believe.
Say the numbers again.
257.653, and it looks like B.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
Can you repeat it, Judge, because it broke up?
I got it that time. You ain't hear it that time?
No.
One more time, Attorney Barrett.
257.653B. Did you get
Fantastic.
it? Okay.
All right, and that's failure to use due care and caution.
Yes, I do believe that's true. 2 points.
Utility. Okay. All right, sir, Mr. Wortham, you want to take advantage? Can you state your name for the record?
Raymond Wortham.
All right, do you want to take advantage of that offer today, sir?
I will.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights, sir?
Ma'am.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 23rd of 2023. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Hubble and Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you driving in a manner in which you should not have been?
Yes, ma'am. I went to sleep after doing a 12-hour shift.
All right.
Tired on my phone.
I know, Mr. Wortham, but let me tell you what you were doing according to the ticket. You were speeding, passing over the yellow line, and disregarded a red signal in your Dodge Charger, I'm imagining. Am I correct?
Correct.
Mm-hmm. Satisfied, Attorney Barrett?
Yes.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge, though. The amended charge to fail to use their due care caution, I believe it's at a utility site. Sir, I know you're working hard and you're working them long hours, but you can't just be speeding through, okay? Because what if somebody jumps in, and this is in the middle of the daytime. Mr. Wortham, I was expecting to flip on the back of the ticket and see an early morning time, and I was gonna be like, so you ain't think nobody was out. It was 4:50.
No, I just got off work.
It is people out there. You can't do that. That's how your car ends up over there on the freeway, because you were by the service area.
Correct.
All right. My fine is $250, sir. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60.
60?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll have to do no later than September the 20, let me see what day, 27th, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, sir, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day, okay? Get some rest.
Will I get something in the mail for that?
You don't, but what you can do is that you can go online in a couple of days at 36districtcourt.org and look it up and see it. And if that doesn't work, you can always come down here one day on the first floor, because you can pay it on the first floor or online, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. Thank you for taking accountability, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. All right, we're just waiting to get the attorney back on this last one.
Okay. Well, wait a minute, Judge. She got back to me while we was on the record.
Okay.
I don't know. You probably could bring her out, but she gonna just miss the other one, and the other one was she gotta pay money, so it's real simple. It's nothing.
Okay, we good. I know that. Which one is someone? I both of them on my document.
Which one? Both, but 435 should be for review.
Okay, so I'll call. Not to say. Okay. Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter.
The last.
Of course, okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Tanisha Monet Williams. This is ticket 362540. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Also calling ticket number SP 1263475. Drive while license suspended. Both of these matters are arraignments on the bench warrant.
Okay,
Yep, go ahead.
Marlena Baird on behalf of Tanisha Williams. Judge, on her driver's license offense, she owes money, and then the other one, the city attorney indicated she would dismiss it.
All right. Ms. Williams, you owe $200. I took off the late fees and the warrant fee, but next time I won't do that. And so if you don't pay this, it's just gonna get those fines again, and you're gonna have to take care of it, okay? In its entirety.
Yes, ma'am.
So pay it, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, state your name for the record, I'm sorry.
Tanisha Monet Williams.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to honor the request of your attorney. I'm going to dismiss without prejudice the other ticket. You just have to pay that one ticket, okay, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
All right, thank you. All right, y'all. And that's my morning docket, everybody.
All right, have a good day. Good to see you.
Thank you. You too, Attorney Barrett. It looks like you're not here.